Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to order and purchase products on CnFans. So the very first thing that you should do here is you have to open any of your web browser. And then using the search bar, just have to search for CnFans. And you'll be able to see this first website. So you just simply click on this one. And right here, you'd be able to see this page. So for our step number one, we have here a product search bar so we can search for product. Right here for step number one, we have the place orders, we have the QC and storage, and then the international shipping. Okay, so now let us sign up for an account if you don't have an account yet, and if you already have, so you just have to log in. So I'm just going to sign up for an account, so just simply click on the profile, and right here you just have to click on the sign up button, or you can also continue with your Google account. Okay, and then after selecting your account, you just have to type out your email and then your password. Then make sure to click on the box and click on the register option. Okay, so that's one right here. And then after that, you have to verify your email account. Okay, so let me just click on the register option. And then I just have to wait for a couple of seconds and click on confirm. That's right, and you'd be directed to this page where you'd be able to see here different coupons that you can use if they are available. Okay, so now let's go to the CnFans homepage and try to, look for products that we can purchase. Okay, so you can also enter right here to redeem the code. So here in the homepage, you'd be able to see here the search bar, so we can paste here the product link or search for a specific name or shop's link. So let us try to use the name first. So I'll try to look for a wallet. So I'm just going to type out right here wallet and click on search after that and click on agree. And then just have to wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see here different results. So what you're going to do here is you just have to check the quality, the ratings of the product before you purchased it. Okay, so right here, for example, this one. So we have here the name of this product. We have the price of this product as well. And then the other details of the products, of course, the color classification. So you just have to click on the color that you want to purchase. Then of course, how many products do you want to buy? Okay, and then here you can leave a message. So just leave a message only when you have a special requirements for this order or purchasing. Okay, so right there, after that, just have to read this note before you check the agree box. Okay, and then after that, you can now click on the buy now option or the add to cart. Just make sure that you read this note right here and click on the box for the checked agree option. That's right. Now if you were to add this to your cart and click on your cart at the top right of your screen. Okay, so let me just click on the add to cart once again and click on the cart option at the top. You'd be able to see here now the product. So you just have to click on the view cart option. That's right, and right here you'd be able to see here now the products. So the next thing they should do here is to click on the submit order option. Okay, so this one right here, and you'd be directed to another page. So here you just have to read this disclaimer before you click on confirm. So now this is the product details. You just have to review if all of the details of your product or the informations are correct and click on proceed to payment after that. And then right here on the checked out page, what you're going to do is to select the payment method that is applicable to you. So we have here the debit card or credit card. So just have to type out right here your card holder name, the card number, the expiration date, the CVC and CVV. Okay, that's right. And after that, just click on the pay for order option. Next, let us try to find a product using a product link. So we are going to try products from Timo. So let us try to find a wallet from Timo and use the link so that we can find it in our CnFans account. Okay, so just click on the share option and then you have to copy the link and then go back now to CnFans and paste it right here, the link of the product from Timo, and click on search. So if you cannot find directly the products using the links, you just have to manually type out right here the details. So the first field is the product link. Next is the product name. So make sure to copy the full name of the product. So paste it right here. That's right. And then the specification of the product or the variation of the product that you want to purchase. Then of course you can also leave a special message, or if you want to tell them that you have a special requirement for your purchase. And of course make sure to upload a photo, an actual photo of the product that you want to receive. And then the next one is the fee section. So you have here the unit price, the quantity, and then the domestic shipping. And at the right side you'd be able to see here the total cost that you have to pay. Okay, and then after that make sure that you have converted the price of the product, and then after that just click on the buy now option or the add to cart and make sure to check the agree box. Next, click on the checked out option, and then right here you just have to click on proceed to check out. That's right, and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then here just have to select your payment method. So just the same, just have to provide the details of your card so you'd be able to purchase this product. And when you go to the DIY orders, you'd be able to see here this field as well. So you just have to provide the product details that you want to purchase. And when you go to the category section, you'd be able to see here different items as well. So for example, for this product, so you'd be able to see here different choices. So you just have to select the product that you want to purchase. So for example, this category as well. And then after selecting your product, you can now go to your my account section at the top right of the screen, and you'll be able to see here the details of your account. So you'll be able to see here the number of your orders, the number of your parcels, and other important details about your account. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.